Now, I want to introduce to you snaps in Revit, which is something very important. I'm going to start with the length dimension increments, which is the way I insert the length by only dragging the pointer. And they depend on the current zoom of the window. Let's have this different example. I zoom out and you can see that now the dimension increments every 1 meter. For example, currently this line measures exactly 5 meters. Then let's continue. I zoom in a little bit more, and at this moment the values changed in a smaller range, this time in intervals of 0.1 between each measurement. If you still zoom a bit more, now the values are even more closely to each other. They are only snapping every 0.02 meters. So all these settings are editable. On the Manage tab, we have to find this icon Snaps. In this window, the section above is exactly what I was talking before, the dimension snaps. In length dimension snap increments, it indicates the ranges that I'm using. The first value is when I am at a minimum zoom. The pointer snaps every 1 meter. Then, at a certain moment, it snaps only every 0.1 meters, and so on. Back in our project, as the unit here is millimeters, the increments are 1000, 100, 20 and 5. I'm going to change the last one to 10, which is 1 centimeter. Although you can delete it and keep only 3 stages, because probably we are not going to use so small values. On the panel below, we can edit the object snaps. Those are the points we want to snap the elements that we are modeling. Currently, we have activated all of them that you can see here. Endpoints, midpoints, nearest, tangents, or centers. Let's skip all of them for now and click on OK to close the window. Then, if I want to insert another wall, I can start exactly from the midpoint of the wall on the screen. This corner showing as an endpoint, or even the endpoints of the lines that are dividing each layer. That's why we have to be careful. This is important. When we are in a large zoom, it's a bit hard to notice if we pick up the correct point. Basically, when you are not sure, always zoom in your drawing. You avoid clicking on the wrong place, and sometimes you don't notice it right away, especially if you are new to Revit. Okay, that's all in this video. See you in the next one.